Myanmar, Liberia, USA. Otherwise, there's no inches. No, 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 there's no inches. No inches, DIY. All right, about to start work on this coffee table. Brand new pair of work zone socks. Beautiful. In the 4-year-old pair of work zone boots. Alright, what I've got here, this is a timber called Mulga. I got this from Mount Magnet from a dear friend called Nana Judith. Shout out to the Magnet people on the Buddy Mire country. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to chop this off with my jigsaw and try to get them to all match up like that, and then I'll glue them onto this piece of ply. And that'll be my coffee table if all goes to plan. Now they're not all going to fit up perfectly even when I chop them, so I've got a bag full of Jarrah sawdust that's going to go in the gaps. And I'm going to use this Israeli product called Liquid Nails, and I'm going to just glue them all on here with this, and then I'll weigh them down.